In today's video, I'm going to teach you cursor not showing in AutoCAD. Cursor not visible in AutoCAD. If your crosshair seems to have vanished or isn't responding, don't worry. I will walk you through a clear sequence of fixes that refresh AutoCAD's display and restore the cursor without changing your actual drawing. First, let's make sure dynamic input is on. This controls the little heads-up fields that appear near your cursor and can help reinitialize the pointer overlay. Press F12 on your keyboard to toggle it. If you prefer typing, click in the command line, type DYN mode, press Enter, and set the value to 3. That value turns dynamic input fully on. Give the drawing window a click and move your mouse to check if the crosshair returns. If not, refresh the graphics pipeline by switching visual styles. In the command line, type VS Current and press Enter. Change from your current style, for example, from 2D wireframe to conceptual. Wait a second, then switch back to your original style. This quick toggle forces AutoCAD to redraw the scene and often brings the cursor back. Still not visible? Let's try toggling hardware acceleration. Type graphics config and press Enter. In the dialog, turn hardware acceleration off if it's on, or on if it's off. Apply the change and return to your drawing. Different graphics drivers react differently, so flipping this setting can immediately resolve display glitches. Another common cause is a color conflict. If your crosshair matches the background or viewport colors, it can look invisible. Open Options, go to the Display tab and click Colors. Locate the crosshair element and set its color to white. Apply and close, then move your mouse again. White provides strong contrast on most themes, making the cursor easy to see. If the cursor still isn't showing, prompt a quick refresh of the application window. Minimize AutoCAD to your taskbar and then restore it. You can also switch between the Model tab and a Layout tab and then back to Model. This forces a lightweight redraw without changing any drawing data. Finally, if none of the above resolves it, close and reopen your current drawing. If the issue persists, fully restart AutoCAD. A clean restart clears temporary graphics states and driver hooks that can hide the cursor. Work through these in order, testing after each change. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.